future. Another potential income source could be via participation in demand response programs. These incentive programs involve large users of electricity, such as Bitcoin miners, getting paid for voluntarily pausing operations in order to balance out load on the electrical grid. In Texas, where wind and solar energy is on the rise, miners have earned up to 10% of their revenue via these programs, which will likely become more common as renewable energy capacity expands. Speaking of renewables, there will also likely be miners with access to cheap or free electricity that can afford to keep mining even with decreased revenues. Last but not least, there is also the self-interest of Bitcoin holders that we can count on to keep the network functioning. We may eventually have major investment funds hold Bitcoin in their portfolio, or even countries which adopt it as a reserve currency. If and when that happens, there will then be powerful and economically invested parties which will be motivated to keep the Bitcoin network secure by setting up mining operations if needed.